Hello dear children, welcome back in our today's class, and today we are going to solve numericals of chapter 5 heat. Okay, so as we have finished this chapter, now in this class we are going to take some examples of numericals. Okay, so before moving to the actual numerical wala section, let us revise what are the different formulas which we are going to use in our today's class. Okay, so there is only one formula which we are going to use in our today's class, that is Q is equal to M into C into delta T. Okay, so what is Q called? Q is called as heat energy. ठीक है, then M is called as what? M is called as mass of object and delta T is called as change in temperature of object. ठीक है, and this is C, small c, it is called as specific heat. Okay, so we are going to use this formula and solve numericals. Okay, so let us take first example. Here I am going to read the question. You have to pay attention towards it. Okay, so question number 1 says, how much heat energy is necessary to raise the temperature of 5 kg of water from 20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. ठीक है, so from the question let us first identify that what are the different kinds of things are given in the question. Okay, so सबसे पहले देखते हैं, m दिया है हमें 5 kg, that is mass. Okay, then c is equal to 1 kilocalorie slash kg degree Celsius, तो ये आपके क्वेश्चन में ही दिया रहेगा. एंड देन डेल्टा टी, दैट मीन्स व्हाट? चेंज इन टेम्परेचर. ओके, सो चेंज इन टेम्परेचर विच मीन्स हाउ द टेम्परेचर गेट्स चेंजेस. तो यहाँ पर टेम्परेचर कैसे चेंज हो रहा है? 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस टू 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? हियर वी आर गोइंग टू माइनस 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ओके, फ्रॉम द 20 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो यहाँ पर क्या वैल्यू आएगा? 80 डिग्री सेल्सियस. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हीट एनर्जी. ओके, फ्रॉम द क्वेश्चन इट इज़ क्लियरली अंडरस्टैंड दैट हीट एनर्जी इज़ टू बी फाइंड आउट. ओके, सो हीट एनर्जी का सिंबल क्या है? Q. ओके, येस, एंड फॉर दैट विच फॉर्मूला वी आर गोइंग टू यूज? दैट इज Q is equal to M into C into delta T. So we are going to simply put up this formula and simply put up the values. It is very easy question. So in the solution what we will get? Necessary heat is equal to heat gained by water. Okay, so when we will put this formula, we have already find out the different terms. Okay, M है 5 kg, C is equal to 1 and delta T is equal to 80 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we are going to simply put up the formulas and what answer we will get over here, that is 400 kilocalorie. Okay, 8 5s are 40 and ये 0 जो है यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, then we will get 400 kilocalorie. So the heat energy necessary to raise the temperature of water is equal to how much? 400 kilocalorie. This is very easy question. Just आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि टेम्परेचर कहाँ से कहाँ तक चेंज हो रहा है. It will ask, if it will ask in exam, then it will ask for 2 marks or something. Okay, yes, so this is very easy question. You just have to put up the formula and according to the things given in the question you have to put up the values. Okay, now we are going towards the next question. So this question is your textbook unsolved question number 1. So first of all I will read the question. What you have to do? You have to pay attention towards it. So equal heat is given to 2 objects. 2 ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसको क्या दिया है? इक्वल हीट. Okay, so the objects are taken as A and B which having mass of 1 kg. ठीक है, दोनों का भी मास जो है वो कितना है? 1 1 gram. Okay, 1 gram is the mass which it has. Okay, then the temperature of A is increases by 3 degrees Celsius. So temperature of A कितना इंक्रीज हो रहा है, 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो डेल्टा टी इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. येस, एंड बी बाय 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो बी में कितना टेम्परेचर चेंज आ रहा है, दैट इज 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. देन विच ऑब्जेक्ट हैज़ मोर स्पेसिफिक हीट एंड बाय व्हाट फैक्टर. सो विच ऑब्जेक्ट हैज़ मोर स्पेसिफिक हीट, तो हमें समझ में आ जाता है कि स्पेसिफिक हीट जो है वो हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है. एंड व्हाट इज़ द सिंबल फॉर स्पेसिफिक हीट, दैट इज सी. ओके, तो 2 ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर हैं, सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टेक C1 एंड C2. ठीक है, तो इधर तक हमें सब वैल्यूज़ जो है दैट वी आर नो अबाउट इट. ओके, वी आर ऑलरेडी नोन अबाउट इट. देन नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू we are going to put up the formula, and then we are going to put up the values. Simply values you have to put. So it is given that Q1 is equal to Q2. What is the meaning of this? Q1 is equal to Q2, which means यहाँ पर अगर आपने क्वेश्चन ध्यान से पढ़ा होगा, then you will get it that equal heat is given to the 2 object. That means the 2 object has given what, equal heat. Okay, so that means they are equal. Yes, so Q1 is equal to Q2. So यहाँ पर Q1 का फॉर्मूला क्या है, as we have taken the 2 objects, we are going to put up M1 M2, then C1 C2, delta T1 delta T2. Okay, yes, then M कितना है, 1. यहाँ पर देखो M is what, 1 gram 1 gram, दोनों का भी 1 gram है. ओके, सो दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी पुट अप ओवर हियर. देन C1 कितना है वो हमें नहीं, दैट वी डोंट नो, एंड C2 ऑल्सो वी डोंट नो, दैट इज स्पेसिफिक हीट. येस, देन डेल्टा T1 एंड डेल्टा T2. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज डेल्टा T1 एंड डेल्टा T2. डेल्टा T1 इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस, एंड यहाँ पर 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Okay, so 3 and 5 we are going to put over here, and now we will just exchange the term. Okay, C1 जो है वो यहाँ पर ही रह जाएगा. Then 1 will get cancel. Okay, so C1 is equal to 5. ये जो 3 है ये हम यहाँ पर 5 के डिनोमिनेटर में सेंड कर देंगे. Then what we will get over here, that is 5/3. C2 जो है वो यहाँ पर ही रह जाएगा. So what value we got over here, that is C1 is equal to 5/3 C2. Okay, so specific heat of object A is more than object B. Okay, by factor of 5/3. Object A मतलब कितना, C1, और object 2 is what, C2. ठीक है, so this answer we will get over here, that is specific heat of object A is more than object B. By which factor? But by 5/3 factor. Okay, so this is only you have to find out. It is also very easy and simple question. Okay, so today we have solved the question which are based on the formula, that is Q is equal to M into C into delta T. Okay, solve, please practice the numericals and try to solve it. Okay, thank you students, have a nice day.